front of me is TECNO Pop 7, and today I would like to show you how you can add video file to text message. You need to begin by going into Messages app and selecting one of your chats. Following that, select this plus at the bottom left corner. Then you can click on your video right away over here. You can also click on this gallery icon on the left, tap on it over here, and select Add at the top right corner. Or select the same icon, but this time click on Folders. Hold your video and tap on Select at the top right corner. Either way, as you can see, my video was successfully added to text message. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!